Good morning, and what is up, guys? We are going to be going for a ride with my dad and my brother today. My Turbo LS M3 car just got finished. I'll be doing a walkthrough on the car pretty soon, but for now, let's see how they react in this nice boost weather. I think once the turbo started breaking in, I think it started made a lot more noise, because at first it wasn't that loud.
Yeah, I noticed that too. So do you know how fast you're going now? Seems
No.
like we're flying.
Yeah, I think we are. No, I can use my phone, but
What is that clinking around?
I don't know. I think there's something on the floor.
Is there something in that box?
There might be.
Yeah.
I don't really know. I don't even know what box it is.
Oh my God! Holy crap!
Is that not the craziest thing in the world?
Oh my God! Dude! That is major.
You don't even know what to say.
Oh my God! Wow!
I just don't know what the fuck that is on my windshield.
Wow.
I mean, it's on all the windows.
Yeah.
But I don't know. Yeah, maybe like a steel wool or something.
Yeah, I think a real fine steel wool and some glass cleaner will get it all off. But
that's what I think Trenton did.
It's definitely an overspray of something.
It might, I don't know. Who knows? It's not that big of a deal. It's easily fixed.
Yeah. I've never felt anything like that before in my life. I'm serious.
I definitely.
What in the... Oh.
What is that?
I thought that it was a moving trailer. He said his neighbor was moving out.
Oh, okay.
I thought it was in Trenton.
Yeah, well, I didn't know.
I thought, oh my God.
I think it's freaking huge.
It is. It's not a regular...
It looks like Smoking the Bandit trailer.
It is, yeah.
Like, it's so tall.
Man, it sits up so high. You know, a moving trailer is, you know, like it sits down a lot lower than that. I mean, you'd have to have a ramp for days just to get something in there. I'm not gonna lie, that scared the hell out of me.
It scared me too when I first freaking did it. It comes on like a freaking light.
Oh my god!
I was just went like this with the throttle, and by the time I was full throttle, we're going. So see ya.
I have never felt it. I mean, there's no way you could hold your head back. I mean, up if you tried on that.
Oh yeah.
I heard the motorcycle pull up.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Kathy hasn't ridden in it yet. She'll probably ride in it later.
Piss your pants?
Just about.
Scary, ain't it?
It is.
You have no idea.
You didn't ride it. Oh,
It's
no.
not even close.
Oh,
to the same.
Nancy, no. You better put on the pin.
You'll
or
go.
something.
It's scary.
I've never ever rode anything that fast before.
It was stupid. All right, guys. Hope you liked the video. We had a pretty fun night. There's going to be a lot more content coming. We're going to do overviews of the car. This week, we're actually going to the track and see what the car runs. So if you like, please like the video, subscribe for more content. Thanks, guys.